Possession rocks, 66 degrees 452 98 degrees 512 E, are two small rock outcrops just east of Northcliffe Glacier, above which they rise to 160 meters. Discovered by the Eastern Sledge Party under Frank Wild of the Australasian Antarctic Expedition, 1911-14, and so named following a ceremony in December 1912 of claiming this area for the British Crown. This article incorporates public domain material from the United States Geological Survey document Possession Rocks, content from the Geographic Names Information System.